Hey penny pinchers, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's having an amazing day. This is your glamorous penny pincher Shalomi, and today I'm coming to you with these DIY vase slash candle holders. Now these are easy, simple, and very inexpensive to make. So if you want to see how I put it together, just keep on watching. Here are the items you'll need for this DIY. First, I'm using this cylinder-shaped gift box from Christmas, and I've painted it gray in the center just so it will conceal the picture on it when I wrap it with my bling wrap. I'm also using a Margarita glass, and you'll see what I use that for at the end. I'm also going to be using this beautiful bling wrap, very vibrant, from where else but Totally Dazzled. I'm also using these two brooches from Totally Dazzled as well, and I'll leave a link in the description box below so you can go ahead and check out their beautiful items. I will also be using these beautiful adhesive mirror sheets that I got a long time from the Dollarama, as well as this old base that I took from an old vase. And you'll need one of these napkin rings from the Dollar Tree. They come in a pack of 6 for $8. And to hold it all together, you'll need some adhesive. This one I got from the Dollar Tree. You will also need a pair of scissors so you can cut your bling wrap. And of course, your handy dandy glue gun. Let's get started. The first step is to measure your mirror tiles around your container, making sure that it's flush with the base. That way everything is aligned when you sit it down. You're just going to remove the protective backing from it, and while it's self-adhesive, I will be adding more glue to it just to make sure that it is tightly secured. After adding my adhesive, I'm also going to go in with my hot glue gun just for the quickness of it and for the sake of this video, just to make sure that it adheres immediately while still giving it time for the adhesive to dry. Now you're just going to slowly attach it to your container very skillfully and carefully, making sure that as you work your way around, everything is nice, tight, and aligned. Now as you work your way, you measure and just repeat the steps before. And this is what it looks like, guys, after I've added my very first layer. Next, I'm going to be using my Totally Dazzled bling wrap, and I'm just going to measure around the container to make sure that I have enough to go around. After measuring, I decided that that piece was too wide, and so all I did was I just cut it in half. Now I'm just going to use my hot glue for this part, adding it to the bling wrap and just adhering it to the container. Now guys, this is where the silver paint came in handy so that the colors of the original container would not come through the bling wrap. And all I did was I just used silver paint that I had on hand from an old project that I did. Right now I'm just going to continue to add my hot glue to my bling wrap until I work my way around. And guys, you know that this is hot. Please use something to assist you. Right now I'm using my scissors, but you can use something else, a popsicle stick or anything of that nature. That will help to keep some of that heat off of your fingers. And we are done with the second step. So now we're just going to continue to alternate until we get to the top of the container. Okay guys, so I ran out of my adhesive, so I'm now going in with some Gorilla Glue. And remember, you can use whatever adhesive you have on hand, whether it be E6000, something from the Dollar Tree. You're free to use whatever you have. Alright guys, we're on the home stretch, so now I'm just going to flip the container over so that I can add the napkin ring, which will create that stand to sit on the base. For this piece, I will only be using my hot glue gun and not the adhesive until the very last step. After adding your hot glue, just place it in the very center of your container, and I'm just eyeballing it here, putting it in the center and holding it until it becomes tight and dry. I'm just going to add a little bit more hot glue to the outer part of the napkin ring just to make sure that it's tightly and firmly secured. And now we're at the end, guys. Yay! So now we're going to be working on the foundation that I showed you earlier. And I'll just be playing around with it, placing it, making sure my placement is perfect before I add the adhesive. I will also be adding a little bit of bling wrap to the base just to make sure it's cohesive with the rest of my project. Just around the rim is all I need. And here it is with the shimmer and the shine, all done and looking pretty. Now let's go ahead and finish strong. Now for this part, I'll be using both the Gorilla Glue as well as my hot glue gun because we want to make sure that this part is very strong to hold the weight of the container. After doing that, I allow it to dry for 24 hours and then we're ready to style. And here they are, guys, absolutely gorgeous. I'm first using them as vases just to show you. And I'm in my kitchen because it has the most light in my house at this time of the day. Now it looks like a family affair. It's being displayed in this tray that I DIY'd about a year or so ago using the same mirror tiles. Remember those Margarita glasses? Well, here's where they come in. I'll just simply be inserting them into the candle holders so that I can place my candle inside of them. And what it does also, it adds a little bit of weight and more stability to my candle holders. And here they are. With just adding the Margarita glasses, they have now been transformed from vases to candle holders, and they are now being displayed with my beautiful pink flowers. So multifunctional. You can use them as a set or you can use them separately in different spaces in your home. Let me know which one you prefer. Do you prefer to use it as a vase or as a candle holder? Leave me a comment in the comment section below. And here's another look for you guys with a beautiful pop of red, just absolutely vibrant, sparkly, and gorgeous. And this is all I have for you today, Penny Pinchers. Thank you so much for joining me. And look, if this is your first time joining me, welcome, welcome, welcome. I really do appreciate you stopping by and would love for you to join the Penny Pincher family by hitting the subscribe button below. And don't you forget that notification bell. Hit that too. That way you are the first to be notified when I upload videos such as this. And to all my lovely penny pinchers, you know how I feel. Love you, love you, love you. Until the next video, this is your glamorous penny pincher Shalomi saying bye-bye.